Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know that how to log into the Novobanco Portuguese online banking platform, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is go to novobanco.pt. This is their official web portal. Now you can do is simply let me do it English here. So simply this is the English button here where you can translate the English into it. Now accept and simply close it. And when you are on this page here, you can find log on button here. Simply click on log on here, and you have to wait until it's lead you to the login page where you can enter your username. So if I just translate it to English here, so you can see the membership number here. So you can find the membership number from here if you already created one new account or one account on Novobanco. Then you can find the membership number, and it will ask you to create a strong PIN code whenever you are going to try to create a new account. Now you have to enter that membership number and that exact PIN code here. Then it will automatically, you can find this number pad that will actually help you to enter the PIN code from here. So that's how you can just simply do it. Also, you can go to the Novobanco official application that are available on Google Play Store and App Store, where you can also, when you try to open this application, then it will ask for the credentials to get into a login to your account, like your membership number or PIN. Then you can log into your account. Or if you forget your PIN, then order a new one here. You have to simply click on this link here, and it will help you to retrieve your PIN that you have forgotten or lost. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.